Could make me sound like Bing Crosby, where he doesn't actually talk; he kind of sings everything. Or Elvis. Well, hey. Today our featured bike is the 2016 Softail Slim S. The new Softail Slim S comes standard with the 110 cubic inch motor, the anti-lock brakes, the remote hands-free security system, electronic cruise control, and a blacked out motor. We've accessorized our Softail Slim S with chiseled handlebars from Harley Davidson, the smoke black lens covers for our turn signals. We accessorized our floorboards with the tribal inserts and also the foot brake pedal, the brake arm. Going to the back, we have added the Street Cannon, street legal Screaming Eagle pipes with the slash cut end caps. On the motor, we have the blacked out pushrod tube covers and the blacked out tappet covers. We have the billet aluminum blacked out shifter arms, the tribal floorboard inserts once again, and the shifter pegs that are also the tribal collection. Moving to the back of the bike, we have the too short upper belt guard and the matching gloss black lower belt guard.